All right. Hello, everyone. I've got Ain here. I'm going to ask him to introduce himself fully and what he does and what company he works for and where are they located.
Hey everyone, my name's Ain. I am the CTO at My Design Studio. We're an outsourced design center. We work with production home builders in Canada, and we recently launched some software that allows homeowners to make their selections online, virtually, with rendered kitchen, rendered washrooms, and I'm glad to be here and speaking with you today.
All right. So is it primarily geared towards design center people or what? Yeah, design center and you know what? I forget the people that interior design. That's
Yeah,
right.
not quite. So a lot of people think that we work with interior designers, but in actuality, we work with production home builders. So builders who build 100, 200, 300 homes a year, they'll come to us and they'll outsource the design center to us so that their homeowners come and see us in our studio. We have all the tiles, the countertops, the cabinetry. We have an 8,000 square foot showroom where they can come see all the products. And during COVID, we realized that we needed a way for homeowners to see the same selections while at home, and that's what sparked the inspiration for the software. So our software allows homeowners to make the selections at home. They can see the same materials virtually on their screen, they can see the pricing, and when they make their selections, not only are they more confident with what they've selected, they can see how much it impacts them financially. So what we're finding is that as people make these selections online at home, when they come into the studio, they're better prepared for the meeting. They already kind of picked out and built their dream kitchen and washroom. And financially, they're aware of what's to come. And you don't get these marital disputes in the studio when they're trying to decide how much to spend. They've had that conversation in private, and when they come in, they're ready to move forward financially. So this is software that's available for builders of all sizes in Canada, US, and around the world.
And what software does it integrate with, if at all?
Yeah, so it does integrate with a number of accounting softwares. Sage is one, QuickBooks is another, and we do have integrations with other ERP systems. So BuilderLinks, any other construction management systems that have open APIs we can integrate with as well.
All right, that's nice. Now, here's the thing. I don't know if this affects you, but I'll ask you anyway. With the looming tariffs that may happen in Canada and Mexico, is it going to affect you? And if at all it's going to affect you, how do you think you're going to mitigate against it?
No, that's a very good question. I know the tariffs do affect a number of products. We need to look into how it affects software sales. Because I know when we look at the trade between Canada and the US, there's two different categories. There's product categories, and then there's services. Services like Netflix and those Apple Plus, those services. So when you look at the trade balance between the two countries, those two things are measured separately. So I'm not sure how the tariffs affect those services. It may or may not. So that's something we do need to look into. But that's a very good question and something we're looking at further into.
I suppose it could be. I don't know. Something like. If the tariffs hit the home builders, maybe they'll not want to buy more software or something like that.
Right,
or
exactly.
Or instead of buying, if they come to you, they probably will scale down or something.
Yeah.
If at all it happens.
If at all.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But we'll see. I hope it doesn't happen.
I hope it doesn't either.
Yeah. Now here's another question. Since you are in the software IT industry, I'll ask this question in a different way. In other people, I was asking them. Because in the construction, generally people are averse or they are skeptical of AI. Are you one of those, and how do you, what do you think will win you over, if at all you are that?
Right.
Let's hear that.
Yeah, I can answer that.
Yeah.
So I'm on the side of AI.
Okay.
Our software utilizes AI to speed up the process.
Okay.
A common pain point for builders is loading up their system with all their options. Builders offer a number of tiles, number of countertops, cabinetry, and those options quickly become thousands of options with thousands of costs and price. So our system uses AI to help speed that up. It looks at the floor plan, it understands the floor plan so it can create the rooms, and it's intelligent enough to determine what options go into which rooms at which price, and it could be the same option in a bathroom is one price because of the square footage.
Yeah.
That same tile in the kitchen will be a different price because of the square footage. So our system is able to quickly go through all that data, saving the builder time. It all happens behind the scenes, so really for the builder it's just a benefit, and it really is invisible to them that this is happening in the background. So yeah.
And it's AI related, the things that you're talking about. So prior to AI, you didn't have some of those functionalities.
Correct. Yeah. In some of these other ERP systems, you have to enter all this data manually by hand.
Yeah.
Other ones you can upload with a spreadsheet, but ours takes it further by understanding the floor plan first, so it can create all the rooms for you just by looking at the floor plan.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of companies that do that, but ours does it specifically for selections management. So. Yeah.
Oh, nice conversing with you, Ain.
Yeah.
You are from Canada, right?
We are from Canada.
And
but
which city?
We're from Toronto.
Toronto. Okay.
Ontario, yeah.
Nice talking to you. You are the second Canadian that I've talked to today.
That's great.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great. And yeah, thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.